watching my YouTube, doing my science project. Okay, so today we are doing a honeybee's hive. So it's too difficult to do, but you can do with your mommy and daddy. Now let's start. I will say you what you need. You need a tissue paper roll. Then you take two cut. Don't do like this. You need to hold like this. Here and here the gap. Then you need the scissor. And I cut. You need cut only for preparing the hexagon shape. You need your favorite color and candy stick and the tissue paper rolls piece. Then you have this already collected, no? You do this already. It was already. Then you press it and then you color it here and here. Now look here and here. Then you press and you color it. Now you need it. Then now let's do it. Aha! Then now you need your hands too. Now look, it's done the hexagon shape. Look, can you see 6 corners, 6 sides? So honeybees hive almost it's all time it is hexagon. Don't do anything shape which you like. Only do hexagon. It's correct, you all children. I have attached every hexagon with a sellotape. I need only one. I have already. Now let's see which was this, no? Now let's put already there. Finished. It looks like this. You see? So honey. So let's move it, and so I am preparing the honeybee now. I have only this much playmais, so I need a scissor. I will take it. Okay? I draw the honeybee here. Can you see? And so for that you need a yellow playmais, the blue playmais, the red playmais, and the brown playmais for her ears. Then now let's start it to make. I will do later the video. Bye. Here's the ears. So our honeybee is ready. Look, so cute. Time to fly. Look, so cute flying. Now let's put her. She makes the one honey. Look. and she will fly and take more nectar. Then the honeybee is now so cute. Now let's learn honeybee's life cycle. Start. First, the queen gives the egg. Then it comes little small larva. Then it comes a pupa. Then it comes a female. Then it comes queen or worker or
Drone.
drone. Drone means female.
Male.
Male. That workers and drones are queen's daughters and sons. They take nectars to prepare the honey for us. So we get very much happy. So when you take the honey, you should wear your costume, white costume, and then you not broke it. Then you take the honey. I have honey here. Can you see? Not there. Look.
This is the honey. Wow, your honeybee.
Honey. Bye.